Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you take advantage of discounts for early bill payment offered by some vendors, you can record the discounts directly in the Pay Bills window when you pay the bills by the date specified by your vendor's terms. This allows you to let QuickBooks track the discount amounts. You can manually take this discount as you pay the bill in the Pay Bills window if you do not have QuickBooks set up to automatically take vendor discounts and credits. To do this, first select the qualifying bill to pay, and then click the Set Discount button. QuickBooks will display the Discount and Credits window where the amount of the discount, based on the terms of the agreement, will be displayed. Select the discount account you use to track the amount of early payment discounts. After you've selected the appropriate account, click the Done button to close the Discount and Credits window. Then continue to pay the bill as you normally would.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.